Assalamu alaikum, and today we will learn that the Google Chrome browser tips and tricks. Google have provided lot of built-in applications in their browser. It will save your time and you did not need to download any application to occupy your space in the hard disk. So it will save lot of the hard disk space as well. So you can do the same task in Google Chrome browser and you will become a expert of Google Chrome browser. So if you are on a first time on our channel, so please subscribe it and press the bell notification so you are keep connected for the future session as well. So let's start the session. First of all, you need to open the Google Chrome browser. Then you need to type in address bar. For example, you need to calculate something, so there is no need to use a calculator and open the calculator of Windows. You can do it on the Google Chrome browser. You just need to type in address bar 2 plus 2 and you will see that the answer is appear is equals to 4. If I will increase the length of it divided by 3, now you can see the answer is also available. So here you can use as a calculator as well, and as many long calculation you want to do it, you can do it. If you want to save any of the website in a Google Chrome browser in a PDF format, Google Chrome browser has provided you the facility. You can save your website as a PDF. What you need to do is you need to Control key, or you can go also over here and select print. Only you need to do is that you need to save as a PDF and now click on save. Now give the location where you want to save it and the file name. I am giving YouTube, and now I will go to the D drive, and here you can see the YouTube PDF file have been saved. If I will double click on it, now you can see all the file in PDF format have been saved. So you can download the notes for you and you can make accordingly the PDF how many you want it from the internet. And if you want to save the page of any website, you can just click on 3 dots on the right side and that go to the more tools and save page as. Now give the location to the desktop and save it. I will close it. So here the HTML file of YouTube have been saved. One more thing I want to tell you, if you once again to click on the more tools, then you can create also the shortcut of the web page which you need to do the work again and again. So you just click on this and it will say that I will create it. Then you will say yes, create. Now if you will go to the desktop, now you can see the shortcut have been created. One of the best option the Google Chrome browser has provided you, if you want to work again and again on the same website and you want to continuously open it, you just need to click on it on the tab and click on pin. Now you can see the pin have been generated. If I will close the Google Chrome browser and then open it once again, so you can see the pin is already made over here and it is open for me as well. So you can apply anywhere you want to do it. If you want to unpin it, then again right click on the tab and unpin it. If you want to open a website, a duplicate page, what you need to do is you just right click on the tab and create duplicate. It will create a duplicate page and open in a new tab for you. So if you want open a 2 media file and you want to listen only one and you did not listen to this other one, so what you need to do, you just click on the page and right click on it and mute the site. Now you can I will play this for you. You can see it. The voice is not available over here. I need to unmute this side. So this is how you can unmute the side as well. So this is how you can unmute the side as well. If you want to jump on the particular tab, if you can see my current tab is number 1 over here. I want to directly jump on the third tab over here. Lot of time we are doing searches and many of the work, so we need to jump on the particular tab as well. So what you need to do is you need to click on just Control 3. Google Chrome browser will help you to reach on third tab. If you did not have the PDF reader in your computer and you need to open a PDF file, what you need to do is you need to select a PDF file and drag in the address bar over here. You can see that the PDF will open for me, and just press the enter button. Now you can see the PDF will be open for us, and same you will follow for any media file and any text file as well. So I hope that you will like this session, and if you are on first time on our channel, so please subscribe it. We are very thankful to you, and press the like button also. Thank you.